Now, with nearly 500,000 Nevadans currently out of work, many of you may be on the hunt for a new job. Now, right now, there are thousands of job listings for contact tracers in our state. And 13 Action News anchor Ross DeMattei shows you what it takes to do the job and how much cash you can make while slowing the spread.
I think it is one of the best ways for us to reopen parts of our society with some confidence that transmission isn't going to get out of control.
If you're sick of being stuck in quarantine, Dr. Emily Gurley says until a vaccine is developed, our only hope of safely returning society to some sense of normalcy is through contact tracing.
The scale and the speed that we have to do this for COVID-19 is unprecedented. So it's going to take unprecedented efforts.
As a contact tracer, it's your job to reach out to patients who test positive for COVID-19 and walk them through how to isolate themselves safely. Then you'll have to compile a list of everyone that person came in contact with since they got sick, so you can track them down and walk them through how to self-isolate.
It's important to find those people because they've been exposed and they could also be infectious. As you probably know, people can be infected with this virus and never know it. They may never develop signs or symptoms, or even if they are going to develop disease, they are infectious before that happens.
Being a contact tracer is sort of like being a disease detective.
Jason Gugasberg works for a staffing agency that's been tasked with hiring thousands of contact tracers in the state of Nevada.
We're definitely under a time constraint, and we would love to hire as many Nevadans as we can, especially in Vegas.
He says prior professional experience in the healthcare industry does help, but it's not required. And the most important qualities of a good contact tracer are compassion and empathy.
Compassion and empathy is a lot of what goes into these conversations. As you can imagine, having conversations with individuals who may have come in contact with someone who just tested positive, or maybe asymptomatic as well.
And with pay starting at $17 an hour in Nevada, Gugasberg says it's a great gig for anyone who wants to work from the comfort of their couch.
It's very easy to apply, one-click apply. If they've lost their jobs and they're interested in doing contact tracing, we absolutely will take their call and vet them and make sure that this is something that they really want to do and that they'll be great at.
Reporting in Las Vegas, Ross DeMattei, 13 Action News.
And if you're interested in learning more about contact tracing, you can take a free training course online. And if you think you're ready to apply, just head to our website for those links. It's ktmv.com/rebound.